So friends, the next problem we would be seeing is, we will just read out the balance sheet of liabilities and assets side. Let's read out the liability side. In capital, 300 for first year, 350 for second year. Then comes your reserves, 140 for first year, 160 for second year. Bank term loan, 320 for first year, 280 for second year. Bank cash credit, that is hypothecation, for first year is 490, for second year is 580. Then your unsecured long term loan, 150 for first year, 170 for second year. Then comes your creditors. In liabilities side, 120 for first year, 70 for second year. Bills payable, 40 for first year, 80 for second year. Expenses payable is 20 and 30 for first year and second year respectively. Same applicable for provisions, 20 and 40. First year 20, second year 40. Now we will read out the asset side. So in asset side, starting with it, we will just read out the net fixed assets, 730 for first year, 750 for second year. Then comes your security electricity, 30 for first year, 30 for second year. Investments, 110 for first and second year respectively. Then comes your raw materials, 150 for first year, 170 for second year. Stock in progress, 20 for first year, 30 for second year. Comes your finished goods, 140 for first year, 170 for second year. Cash, 30 for first year, 20 for second year. Your receivables, 310 for first year, 240 for second year. Then comes your loans, come advances, 30 for first year, 190 for second year. And comes your goodwill, 50 for first year and 50 for second year. So your total balance sheet amount for first year is 1600. For second year it's 1760. We will just compute three ratios, namely first we will start with tangible net worth ratio for first year. So to compute tangible net worth ratio, friends, we require capital, that is your share capital, plus your reserves minus your intangible assets. Okay, so we will start the solution. We require capital. So capital is there in the liabilities side. For first year only we need to calculate. So for first year, capital is 300 plus your reserves is 140. So 300 plus 140 is your 440 minus your intangible assets, which is in asset side, goodwill, the last. So for first year is 50. So 440 minus 50 is equal to 390. So your tangible net worth for first year is 390, that is 390. We'll calculate the second problem, its current ratio for second year. To calculate current ratio, we require current assets divided by current liabilities. So in current assets, we can see in asset side, raw materials are there. Okay, so raw materials, stock in progress, finished goods, your cash, receivables, then comes your loans, come advances, this all come under current assets. So we will just quickly write the amount in the numerator side, that is raw materials for second year is 170, stock in progress 30, finished goods 170, cash 20, receivables 240, loans come advances 190. Okay, we will just write in the numerator, then comes the denominator to calculate current liabilities. We will see in the liability side, the current liabilities are here friends. Bank cash credit hypothecation 580 for second year, just write that in denominator, plus comes your creditors 70, bills payable 80, expenses payable 30 and your provisions 40. We'll just quickly sum up it, like 170, 30, 170, 20, 240, 190. The current assets, the total current asset is 820 divided by your total current liabilities is 800. So 820 divided by 800 is equal to 1.02:1. Then the next ratio to find is debt equity ratio for first year. So debt equity ratio, friends, the formula is long term debts divided by owner's fund. Friends, in long term debts, that means your bank term loan and unsecured long term loans. Here, as per this problem, we will need bank term loan for first year, that is 320, plus your unsecured long term loan 150. You will just write there in the numerator side, divided by your owner's fund. Friends, owner's fund can be calculated in different ways. Like, you can calculate owner's fund like total assets minus total liabilities. You can do that, but make one thing: total assets means your all your fixed assets and your current assets, not your intangible assets. Similarly, total liabilities means, friends, your long term loans or long term liabilities as well as your current liabilities. Okay, so we will just do a calculation in the owner's fund. Owner's fund, friends, it will be coming as your total assets, that is your total entire assets excluding your intangible assets. So while seeing the asset side, your fixed assets and rest all your assets are there. 50 is your the goodwill. You will just 1600 minus your goodwill 50, that is 1550 will be your total assets minus your total liabilities will be coming as long term loans plus current liabilities. So just we will see what is your long term loans and current liabilities. So 1600 is your total of balance sheet minus your capital, that is 300 and 140 of reserves. Rest all we are including. Okay, so 1600 minus 440, we will be getting as 1160. Therefore, total assets 1550 minus total liabilities 1160 is equal to 390. Okay, so your long term debts is, how much is your long term debts? 470 divided by your owner's fund, which is 390. You would be getting the answer of 1.21 as your debt equity ratio.